First of all, go to your start menu and type video editor. This will take you to a page, and there you need to press the new video project. This will take you to another page where they will ask you to name your video. Here I will type YouTube tutorial because it's a tutorial right now. You can press OK. Now this is your project library, and here's where all the imported videos are showed, and the down is the storyboard. So you can select it from the PC, from a web, or from your collection. I will select it from the PC. Now you can select it any video which you want. I have a Fortnite video over here. I will press save. Now this will take you to adding files screen. This takes a few seconds depending on the size of your video. Now as you can see, it has been added to the project library. Drag it down to the storyboard. You can import as many videos you want. Now there are a lot of options over here. First of all, I will start with the add a title card. This is nothing but the title of the video. So when I click it, you can see a blank card appears. Now I will add some text to it. Press this text button and you can add whichever title you want. Here I will add Fortnite. Now you can add any title style you want, such as loud, joy, classic, adventure, anything. But the best I like is boom because it matches with what I want. So I'll press that, and here you can change a layout, or that means where you want to place the text. I want to place it at the center, so I'll place it there. Now you can also change the duration of your title from where it should come in and where it should go out by just dragging the handles. When you're done, just press the done option. Always remember to press it after you finish. Now I want to change the background of it, so I will press the background and I can press anything, any color I want. You can also add customized color to it by just pressing the plus button. You can drag it to anywhere, whichever color you want. Then later press OK. After that, press done. Now let's go to the next see the video. So as you can see, the title appears. Now there's a problem. I don't like the audio of the recorded video. I want to put a customized audio for it. So what I will do is, I will select the video clip and press the audio button. Here I will reduce it to 0. You can put it at any level which you want. Now let's look at the options. First of all, the trim option. Here you can trim your video to any length you want. So it's an 8-minute video for me. I don't want it to be so long. So I'll put to the half, that's somewhat around 4 minutes. Now later on, after you're satisfied, just press the done and that's it. Now the next option is split. That is dividing your video so that you can edit it more easily. So here I want to edit it into 2 parts between the middle of the video. So let me adjust it. Yeah, right over there. I think that will be good, and after that press done. As you can see, now you have 2 video clips. One is the first part and the next is the second part. Now you can select which file you want to edit. So I will select the second sequence for now and add some text to it. Now here you can add any text which you want. I will just put a random word. I think touchdown. It will be a nice video. I will type touchdown. As you can see, it also appears in the video. So I will put touchdown and I will place it where I want it. For placing it, you can just click the handle and place it to it. You can also increase and reduce the duration, how long the text should be in the screen. So I will play. It takes some time for placing it. So let's see. Yeah, I think that will be a good position. See, as you can see, it has an inbuilt animation to it. It just pops up and later on it goes. So now I want to change the title style of it. So I will select classic. I think that's good. So after that, now as you can see, you can as you can see, it just comes in and it blurs the background. So I think that will be nice. Later on, press done when you feel it's good. You can all yeah. Now the next option which we'll be looking at is the motion. So the motion is nothing but it is like how from where the camera comes into your video to full screen. It's like zooming in from left or coming in from the right. It will be most effective for smaller clips. If your clip is too long, it will slowly come from the right and fill it to the screen. It won't have any good effect. So if your video clip is too small, it will have a good effect to it. So now let's look at the 3D effects, which is incredible. So here are some clips which you can find it in the effects tab. So I will put some explosions which I feel is nice, and I will press the explosions 3D effect. So you can view wherever you want. You can place the 3D effect wherever you want. So I will want it when I'm jumping off the bus. That's the place where I would like to have the 3D effect. You can also resize your effect and also add the duration of how long the effect should be. So I will just put it at the side of the bus and I will increase the size, and you can also do some rotation and some animation to your 3D effects. There's an inbuilt voice for each and every side effect, some 3D effect, sorry. So as you can see, the effect is too small right now. I don't want it. I want to make it a little more huge, and I want to put it a little more later in the video. So I will place it over there, and as you can see, right now I think it's a little more better. I think the size should be a little more bigger. I will just resize it. So as you can see, it looks nice. It's just a tutorial video, so I don't want to put a lot of thinking on it. So that's it. So later press done. There are also a lot of other 3D effects. I'll show you right now. So just press the 3D at the third tab, that is a 3D effects tab on it. There you can have a lot of customized and specific 3D effects for you. So for example, there are animals, birds, or some buildings, or a magic, science fiction, lot of things. So here I will select I don't want any animal to be in my video clip, so I'm not selecting. You can select any animal, you can add animations to it, you can select the duration or do various other effects with it. So later, now let's go to the next option, that is the filter. The filter is a good thing to show your mood of the video. So there are a lot of filters over here. One is the original, that is the normal one. Then you have a lot of things such as iceberg, denim, lot of other things. So since a gaming video, I think the best will be energy, because games are filled with energy. So I'll press it to energy, and press done. Because yeah, now you can press the speed of your adjust the speed of your sound. Oh, sorry, I mean the video. So I will click the first clip where it's only all about loading. So I don't want them to the audience to be bored by all the loading screen. So I will apply the speed to somewhat 4 into the speed of the original clip. So as you can see, now when I play the video clip, the clip is 4 times the speed. So the length of this video decreases, and just it's fast forwards it. As you can see, everything is moving really fast, and no one needs to wait for the loading screen because everyone wants the best part of the video. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, that is remove black bars or shrink to fit. Before showing that, I want to show you another thing. Press the rotation button, which will rotate your video. So as you can see, when I rotate to the side, you can get these 2 black bars in the side. Most of us don't want it. It mostly comes when you're recording on your phone. So to remove that black bars, you have to press the button and press remove black bars. This will remove the black bars and fit it to the screen. But for now, I don't want it because I have taken the video in a landscape. So I will rotate it and put it in the original position. Now if you want to delete any clip, select the clip and just press the delete button, or if you want to remove all, press the 3 dots and press remove all. Now let's look at the last option, that's the background music. Video editor has a lot of inbuilt background music. So as you can see here, this is a one where it's too slow and doesn't match a gaming. This is perfect, which I feel. So I will select this music and I will adjust the music volume to somewhat around 75% and press done. As you can see, a music is added to your video. You can also add custom audio, that is your narration or any other music clips which you downloaded from other sources. You can also adjust the duration of it. So that's it for now. So as you can see, I will just display the video right now. I will just make it a full screen. Just fast forward it a little bit, little more. Yeah, it's where we put all the effects. So as you can see, the explosion and I jump out of the bus. Now the text message comes. I'll fast forward a little more. So I think the video looks perfectly fine. So now to the last and the final part, that is exporting your video. So press finish video. Here you can check the quality of your video. The recommended quality is 1080p. Now press export and this will ask you for the location where it should be exported. Select it and press OK. Now this will start the exporting process. It will take a few minutes depending on your video size and the quality of your video.